Ready for a shock? By September 2025, 10 everyday grocery items could vanish from your local store shelves. We're talking about staples you buy every week, things you can't imagine your pantry without. This isn't a wild guess, it's based on real events and expert analysis. Climate change, supply chain chaos, and shifting consumer habits are creating a perfect storm. We'll break down why each of these 10 items is at risk, and some will truly surprise you. Watch until the end to see if your favorites are on the list. Let's dive in. Number 10 is cooking oil, an everyday staple that most of us take for granted, but one that's quietly becoming a symbol of global food insecurity. Whether you're frying up breakfast, baking a cake, or sautéing vegetables for dinner, cooking oil is the unsung hero in kitchens around the world. But right now, sunflower oil supplies are collapsing due to ongoing global conflicts, especially in Eastern Europe, which is a major producer. This has sent shockwaves through the market, leaving manufacturers and consumers scrambling for alternatives. Meanwhile, severe droughts in Spain and Italy have devastated olive groves, slashing olive oil production to historic lows and putting even more pressure on the market. At the same time, relentless heat waves in Canada have hammered canola crops, further tightening global supplies of another key cooking oil. It's a domino effect. When one type of oil becomes scarce, demand and prices for all the others skyrocket. Shoppers are left facing sticker shock and tough choices at the checkout, and it's not just the crops. Global supply chains are still a mess, with shipping delays, labor shortages, and rising costs at every step, making it even harder to get oil from farms to store shelves. Even when oil is finally produced, getting it to your local supermarket is a huge challenge. Every link in the chain is under strain. The result? Soaring prices, empty shelves, and a growing sense of uncertainty about what will be available next week. You might soon have to settle for whatever oil you can find, if there's any left at all. Familiar brands may disappear, and you'll likely see new, unfamiliar options. By September 2025, expect fewer choices, much higher prices, and a real possibility that your favorite oil could be gone for good. If you rely on cooking oil, now's the time to stock up while you still can. Buying a few extra bottles could save you money and stress down the line. Cooking oil as you know it is on the chopping block. The next time you reach for that bottle, remember, it might not be there tomorrow. Number 9, specialty flours and baking supplies. The home baking boom created massive demand for almond, coconut, and gluten-free flours. But almonds need huge amounts of water, and California's drought is threatening the industry. Processing these flours requires specialized factories already maxed out. Vanilla extract, mostly from cyclone-prone Madagascar, is another fragile link. Even niche ingredients like specialty yeast and cacao powder face supply chain disruptions. By 2025, expect higher prices and empty shelves for your favorite baking ingredients. Home bakers will feel the pinch first. The era of easy, diverse baking supplies is fading fast. Get ready to adapt your recipes. Number 8. Spices and seasonings, the flavor backbone of every kitchen. From the simplest home-cooked meal to the most elaborate restaurant dish, spices are what transform food into something memorable. They connect us to cultures, traditions, and memories, making every bite an experience. Most spices come from regions hit hard by climate change. Floods, droughts, and unpredictable weather are slashing harvests. These environmental challenges are making it harder for farmers to grow the crops we rely on for flavor, and the impact is being felt worldwide. A single bad season in Vietnam or India can create global shortages of black pepper, cinnamon, or turmeric. These are not just minor inconveniences. These shortages ripple through the entire food industry, affecting everything from packaged foods to restaurant menus. The journey from farm to shelf is long and fragile. Export restrictions, political instability, and shipping costs threaten every step. Even when crops survive, getting them to your local store is a challenge, with delays and disruptions becoming more common. Labor shortages make hand-harvested spices like saffron even rarer and pricier. These delicate crops require skilled hands, and fewer people are willing or able to do this demanding work. If there's no one to pick it, it doesn't reach your plate. The result? Fields of unharvested spices and a shrinking supply for everyone. By 2025, expect empty spots where your favorite spices used to be. Shelves that were once overflowing with options may soon look bare, leaving shoppers frustrated and searching for alternatives. Prices will spike, and you'll be forced to ration or substitute. the cost of even basic seasonings could double or triple, making it harder for families to enjoy the flavors they love. The days of a fully stocked spice rack are numbered. Soon, having a wide variety of spices at home may feel like a luxury from the past. Prepare for a world with less flavor. Meals may become blander, and the joy of experimenting with new tastes could fade away. Your favorite seasonings may soon be a luxury. What was once a kitchen staple could become a rare treat reserved for special occasions. Stock up now if you can. Consider buying in bulk or preserving what you have because the future of spices is uncertain. The spice crisis is real and it's coming to a kitchen near you. Don't take your favorite flavors for granted. They may not be around much longer. Number 7. Canned tomato products from diced tomatoes to pasta sauce. California, which grows most processing tomatoes, is in a historic water crisis. Drought and heat waves are slashing yields and quality. Surviving tomatoes are smaller and less flavorful, impacting every canned product. Processing plants face labor shortages and soaring costs for steel, energy, and transport. By 2025, expect prices to double or triple, and fewer options on shelves. Your favorite brand may disappear entirely. Stores may even limit how many cans you can buy. The tomato crisis is a mathematical certainty if trends continue. Spaghetti night may never be the same. Stock up while you can. Number 6. Dairy alternatives like oat, almond, and soy milk. Demand exploded but production can't keep up. Oat milk factories are maxed out, and building new ones is slow and costly. Almonds need massive water and California's drought makes their future uncertain. Soybeans face unpredictable yields worldwide. These products also rely on vulnerable supply chains for gums, emulsifiers, and vitamins. A shortage of one minor ingredient can halt production. By 2025, expect higher prices and frequent shortages in the dairy alternative aisle. Your favorite oat milk may be out of stock for weeks. The plant-based boom is hitting a wall. Flexibility will be key for plant-based shoppers. Number 5. Premium and specialty pet food. Pandemic pet adoptions spiked demand for high-end, grain-free, and human-grade formulas. These foods use the same scarce ingredients as human food: chicken, salmon, specialty grains. When human supply chains get squeezed, pet food gets hit even harder. Specialized manufacturing is expensive and faces labor shortages. By 2025, finding your pet's favorite food could be a scavenger hunt. Prices will soar, and you may have to switch brands suddenly. Pet owners will face tough choices. The premium pet food era is under threat. Number 4. Household cleaning products. Demand for disinfecting wipes, sprays, and detergents remains sky-high. Chemical ingredients and plastic packaging are in short supply due to global disruptions. Even a shortage of spray triggers can halt production. Transporting these bulky products is more expensive than ever. By 2025, expect higher prices and frequent out-of-stocks. Your favorite cleaning brand may vanish from shelves. The supply crunch is long-term, not just a pandemic blip. Cleanliness is about to get costlier. Number 3. Breakfast cereal and oatmeal. Oats, wheat, corn, and rice harvests are increasingly unpredictable due to climate disruption. Cereal factories are energy-intensive and face soaring costs and labor shortages. Fewer workers mean less production and fewer boxes on shelves. By 2025, expect fewer deals, discontinued flavors, and much higher prices. The cereal aisle will shrink, and your go-to breakfast may be out of reach. Families will have to rethink their morning routines. The days of cheap, abundant cereal are ending. Breakfast is about to change. Number 2. Frozen convenience foods like pizzas, nuggets, and microwave dinners. Labor shortages cripple production lines, and the cold chain is expensive and fragile. Every ingredient, cheese, tomatoes, spices, is facing its own crisis. A shortage of one key item can halt entire product lines. By 2025, expect empty freezer sections and far fewer choices. Prices will jump as companies cut less profitable products. The ultimate convenience food is becoming a luxury. Stock up if you rely on frozen meals. The frozen food aisle may never look the same. Convenience is no longer guaranteed. Number 1. Coffee and tea, the world's daily ritual. Every morning, billions of people reach for a cup of coffee or tea to start their day, fueling conversations, creativity, and comfort across cultures. But climate change is devastating coffee and tea crops. Rising temperatures, new pests, and unpredictable extreme weather are slashing yields and threatening the livelihoods of millions of farmers who depend on these crops. Over half of suitable coffee land could vanish by 2050, and we're already feeling the effects as plantations shrink and once fertile regions become inhospitable for these delicate plants. Tea faces similar threats. Droughts, floods, and declining quality are making it harder to grow the leaves that end up in your cup. Even the taste and aroma of your favorite blends are changing. Political instability and export restrictions in key countries are choking global supply, making it even more difficult for coffee and tea to reach your local store. By 2025, prices will skyrocket, and your favorite single-origin coffee or specialty tea may disappear from shelves altogether, replaced by lower-quality, mass-produced alternatives. Coffee and tea could become rare, expensive luxuries reserved for special occasions rather than daily enjoyment. The morning ritual that so many rely on for comfort and energy is under threat, leaving millions to face their day without their favorite pick-me-up. Prepare for sticker shock or even empty shelves when you next visit the coffee and tea aisle. Enjoy your favorite brew while you can, savoring every sip, because these simple pleasures may soon be out of reach. The world's most beloved beverages are at risk, and the impact will be felt in every corner of the globe, from bustling cities to quiet villages. The future of your morning cup is uncertain, so cherish it because change is brewing. There you have it, 10 everyday items at risk of vanishing by September 2025. Climate change, supply chain chaos, and labor shortages are reshaping our grocery stores. The era of cheap, abundant groceries is ending. Be a smarter, more flexible shopper. Adapt to rising prices and shifting availability. We'll keep tracking these trends so you can stay ahead. Which item would you miss most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on your world.